everybody, my name is Armando and this is Chef Momo, my helper, and welcome to my new channel. And today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies.
We need brown sugar, we need eggs, we need chopped walnut, we need soft butter, chocolate chips, flowers, vanilla powder, salt with baking powder. Okay, so we have a mixer. So the first thing we are going to start doing, we are going to mix the butter with sugar. Okay, put all butter there. Now Armando, we have to add chocolate chip. You can add chopped walnut. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna turn it off.
Okay.
I'll lock it in.
Ah, perfect. Yeah. Oh, strong. Fantastic. Show me how it does. Very nice. Okay, so now we can use this.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the whole dough out.
Yeah.
Everything. And we're
There.
gonna put it in there.
Perfect. So then take like ice cream scoop.
Yeah. And then you're gonna take a piece of it.
Okay. Good.
And then you're gonna kind of like make it whatever shape you want.
Okay.
Or you can just take it out after.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, just like a mini
Okay.
just spaceship or something.
Yeah. Make sure when you put them separate, because when they are going to cook, they are going to spread. Correct? Okay. So.
So this is 12 cookies I made, and now I'm gonna put it in the oven.
It's great.
Okay, have one? Huh?
Now I can have something later.
Oh my
Have
gosh.
some sushi.
So give me a little bit from yours.
Okay.
At least you taste. Jesus! My God. Very tasty. Huh? What do you think?
Very good.
Very good, huh? Good job.